Hey guys, Erica here. I'm just going to go over what is known as the 4 by 4 hack. This is really the key to how people are earning five-figure months, weeks, and even days. And I want to break it down for you because I think once you can see this hack, it gives you kind of an idea of where you're headed and what your goals should be, what you should be focused on. And of course, we always talk about that first goal being to hit 4A. And that's when this 4 by 4 hack actually starts to come into play. So, that goal of getting to 4A, obviously 90% of people go on to hit 6A. But in the process of working from 4A to 6A, you're actually going to be really leveraging the commission structure so that you can earn more of the commissions and push into those five-figure months and weeks and days. So let's dive in here. This first diamond here represents the machine that you're building your business under. So your first product that you purchased. And so the first two sales that you have in your business are going to go in your 1A lane. So those might be your own purchases if you did a trifecta, or they could be other people that you're bringing into the business. Either way, those first two sales are going to be in your 1A lane. And that means that you're earning one of the commission points. And there's a total of 8 commission points. Okay. So there's really 8 pieces of the pie. And when you're in 1A, you're earning one of those pieces. So what that looks like for a K8, each point for a K8 is worth $340. Okay. So you're earning $340 for a K8. What that looks like for a trifecta is 560. Okay, so when you hit your third sale, that's going to open up your 2A lane. So now you're earning two of the 8 commission points, which breaks down to 340 times 2 for a K8, so that's 680. Or in the case of a trifecta, that's 560 times 2, which is 1120. Okay, so from sales 3 until 10, those are all going to go into your 2A lane. So once you hit 2A, it's not actually 10 um, points that you need to earn to get to 3A. It's actually only 7. Okay, so you're going from 3 to 10 to get to 3A. That 11th sale is then going to open up your 3A position, okay, your 3A lane. And now you're earning 3 of those 8 commission points. So what that looks like for a K8 is $1,020. For a trifecta, it's $1,680, right? So that's that 560 times 3. So from sales 11 until 20, those go into your 3A lane. And then that 21st sale, that's what's going to open up your 4A lane. And that's when we're going to start with our 4 by 4 hack. So let's break this down for you. When you hit 4A, you're actually going to purchase a second Ukon from yourself. And then you're going to start building underneath that Ukon. What this does is it allows you to own 2 positions within your business so that you're earning the 4A commissions. And then you're also earning whatever rank your Ukon is. So if this makes sense, your first 2 sales for your Ukon, you're going to be earning 1A commissions, just like you did when you started out, right? But because you also own that position above it, that 4A, you're earning 4A commissions as well. So you're earning 1A commissions plus 4A commissions for those first 2 sales for your Ukon. Okay, so what that looks like for a trifecta is $2,800. And that breaks down, as you can see on the right-hand side there, 560 for the 1A and 2240 for the 4A. So then your third sale for your Ukon is going to open up your 2A lane. So from 3 until 10 sales, you're going to be earning 2A commissions for the Ukon and 4A commissions for your original position. So what this means is you're now earning 6A commissions, even though you're still only a 4A in your business. So you're earning 6 of those 8 points. Now, when you hit that 11th sale, you're opening up your 3A lane. So now you're earning 3A commissions plus 4A commissions, which means now you're earning 7 of those 8 total commission points. So for a trifecta, what that looks like is $3,920. Now, this is where the hack comes into full completion. This is where you're now 4x4. Your 21st sale in that Ukon lane is now going to have you earning 4A commissions for the Ukon that you own and 4A commissions for your original position. So now you're earning all 8 of those commission points. And at this point, you're still only a 4A in your business, but you're maximizing the compensation plan and earning the entire pie. So what does that actually look like? That's $4,488 for a trifecta. So you're making almost $4,500 for a trifecta when you've maxed out your 4x4 in your business. So what that breaks down to, as you can see, is if you sell 3 trifectas when you have your 4x4 in your business, you've now earned 5 figures. Okay. So that could happen in a month, that could happen in a week, that could happen in a day. Especially if at this point you've really dialed in your advertising, you've really gotten your audience, vibing with you. You're finding people who are qualified, who really want to do the business, who are excited, who are ready to invest in themselves and into our products, which are amazing, and be part of this compensation plan. So you're bringing 3 people into the business is not really going to be as big of a stretch as it was when you first started out. Getting that momentum is really, that's kind of that place where it can get a little uncomfortable. But once you start to find that momentum, then you're getting to this 4x4 point and you're earning $4,500 every time you sell a trifecta. Now, imagine if you took even just half of that and reinvested it into your advertising that's working, right? And how many people then you're going to be bringing into the business every month, every week, every day, right? I always personally recommend to reinvest in what's working for you so that you can grow your business exponentially. Because the more people that you're talking to, the higher the chances are of people converting and starting and being active in this business and being excited about it, right? More people you get to share with and help change their lives. So I really hope that this helps kind of break down and kind of, takes away this veil of like, how are people earning that much money? It's really about maximizing the compensation plan, and it becomes actually almost easy because now you don't need to sell, um, 10 K8s to earn a 5-figure month or whatever it would be, right? Now you're only needing to sell, 3 trifectas in order to get to that 5-figure month. So, like I promised, here is kind of a graph of a breakdown of what each lane pays out in your business. So, this also includes the 4x4 hack on the right hand side so that you can see when you're selling a K8, what it is in a 1A all the way up to a 4A, and then the 4x4 hack all the way up to the 4A there, and the same with the trifecta down below. So, take a picture of this. You don't need to memorize it, obviously, but it can be really motivating and inspiring to look at these numbers, really get a grasp on what you're aiming towards. And then also to just really recognize to get to 4A, it takes 20 points, right? And what that breaks down to is actually only 7 trifectas. Okay, so 7 people coming into the business and going all in with their business. And then in order for you to get to the 4x4 hack, that's only another 7 people. So for you to be earning almost $4,500 every time you sell a trifecta, that's only 14 people that you need to bring into this business, and have them starting with a trifecta, right? And the other thing to note with that too is that if you bring people into your business that are go-getters, you're also going to earn points when they make sales too, which is just going to help you rank up faster as well. So um, try to always kind of like reverse engineer the numbers so you can see like, okay, I need this many people, so how many people do I need to talk to? And 7 people with a trifecta to get to 4A is not really that scary of a number. Okay. And so just to start to like get focused on like what are the numbers actually going to look like for me so that you can get excited and stay motivated. So I hope that helped. I hope it made sense. And of course, if you have any questions about it, just reach out to us in the Entrepreneurs Empowered team page. All of us would be happy to help you get your head wrapped around this because the sooner you get your head wrapped around it, the more excited you can be every day to show up and take action in your business because you know taking those steps, this is where you're headed, right? This 4x4 hack is going to literally change everything financially for you. So this is where you want to head, right? So again, yes, please just reach out if you guys have any questions, and I will talk to you guys soon. Okay.